Greetings. Each time you turn on the TV, you will always sadly hear on the news. We lose our loved ones, our children, due to gun violence. Gun violence is something that we all need to work together as a team to put an end to in our communities. What are you doing about it? Well, of course, this is Billy Boy, the Jamaican Cowboy, representing for Vibes International Music Festival. And this is not just a festival, but it's a seminar asking all the people to come out and listen to this message. The message of how to put an end to community violence. Violence on a whole, we want to put to rest. Put it this way, a lot of us, we are here to do something about this awful monster that is plaguing our community and taking away our children. There are many business people around, of course. I know that most of you would love to sponsor any movements that is going to put a hand towards gun violence in our community. And of course, the business sector, along with the people of the community, we are going to implement a system of which we are going to work together hand to hand and to put a end to community violence and crime on a whole. Of course, Billy Boy, the Jamaican Cowboy, and all of the other team of artists who will be performing on the show, of course, we will ensure that we bring to the table positive message that will appeal to our young children and even adults, ways and means how we can put our hand towards violence and crime in our community. So again, I am calling on the support of all the communities around the world, matter of fact, but this time we are going to target Florida, United States of America. And of course, we are. This is a movement that is not going to stop until we cover all of the states that are here in the United States of America. If we can save our children, then guess what? We can save the world. Love and respect. Billy Boy, the Jamaican Cowboy. Choose wisely now. Choose wisely now. Choose wisely now. Love and respect. Boom, boom.